What's up, everyone? It's me, Edward, and your best friend, back at another Pokemon video. And if you didn't see the last part, and what's wrong with you? What's definitely wrong with you? Well, anyway, last time we fought our rival. Not much other things happened. And we got our Pokédex, so that's a thing. Okay, first Pokemon a day? Well, for you it's a day. For me, I just recorded the other one. I'm just saying. Okay, Headbutt. Okay, I feel like I'm really strong. Just one piece of I want that on my team. Okay. Tackle to make sure it's not dead. Oh, I forgot it was a ghost type. Headbutt. I can't hurt it. I can't hurt it. These are both normal moves. You got away this time. Next time, you're gonna be on my team, and you're gonna like it. I'm gonna keep winning and aim to be the best trainer. I'm sorry, but that's gonna be me. Help me further my career. You can get paid off this? Why didn't anyone tell me? Oh yeah, because you basically beat up other people's pets for like money. That's how you make a real living. For working in an office. Being a people's pets, that's where it's at. Okay, Dedede. Water gun. Since when did I learn water gun? And you know what this means. You know what this means. Honedge, where are you? We have to have some words. Honedge. Okay. Seems like you've been busy. One shot. I forgot I'm OP. When I get a weak Pokemon, I'm gonna show you how I do. I don't get what's wrong with Oshawott. I realized something. Never mind. Oh yeah, plus I got the running shoes. Look at me! Yeah! Oh yeah, I forgot to mention this. Today we're playing Pokemon X and Y for GBA. Okay. There's plenty of videos to have the link thing. You have to have My Boy, which is the way that you get anything. Okay. Yes, I would like to rest my Pokemon. Pokemon. You don't know, I do not want to heal them again. Okay. Is this a gym? Oh, it's my father. I am your father. And then he just chops off my hands. And then kicks me into the ocean. Hey, are you maybe a rookie trainer? Do you want Pokemon trainers? Do you want to reach a new town? First, check out the gym in the town. I already checked it out. This is the gym sign. Look for it whenever you're looking for a gym. Well, you're watching a gym. Get Edward Gym? No? Okay. Well, isn't it taps to my poorly named daughter? I'm a man. I'm a man. I'm just a man. I'm sorry. So you're all finished moving in? I'm surprised that you managed to get here by yourself. Oh, I see. You're with your Pokemon. Oh. Then I guess you're gonna have to become a trainer like me. I'm kidding. That's great news. News. I'll be looking forward to it. Wally. I'd like to get Pokemon, please. You're, right? You're Wally. I was right, it's Wally. I'm going to stay with my relatives in Verdan. Is that a Kalos city? I don't city town. I don't think it is. I don't care. I'm not. Okay, my throat is gonna hurt if I read all this. Okay, so. Okay, if it's actually like a shiny, I will literally just quit this right now. And. Oh, good. It's just a regular old routes. Yay. Isn't the, or this is longer than the actual. Okay, I'm pretty sure you can't catch a Pokemon when it's that amount of health. You know that, Wally. You just got lucky. I did it. It's my Pokemon. Thank you. Let's go back to the gym. I want to catch Pokemon too. So I'm okay. The reason why I'm skipping this because, you know, my throat will probably be sore after I actually do that. Okay, TJ. Prepare to be on my team. Okay. Well, no, I don't want a Dedede. Well, I probably am gonna catch a Dedede. Okay, if it doesn't die by this shot, nope, I can't catch it. It's dead. Oh, an Aron. Yeah, I would love to have that on my team. Oh, defense! Headbutt. No. Water gun. I forgot. I really need to get another Pokemon. A Tepig, I'm okay with that. I'm not gonna use water gun. Headbutt. Too strong for this. Okay, not Shawat. I'm gonna call it green Shawat if I catch it. You think you can survive one more attack? No! Okay. Okay, another green Shawat. Headbutt. Oh man. I'm not complaining. Oshawott isn't the best. Really? Okay. That's a second evolution if you don't know. I'm pretty sure that does not level up. Not level up. Evolve. Level 4. Kira, let's do this. Why did I use water? Okay. Whoa! Okay, that looks like it was just ripped out of the 3D thing and then put a little pixely. I don't know if I feel comfortable with this on my team. Well, I guess it might become part of my team. It's scaring me. Oh yeah, where did I get max revive from? Okay. Button pressing! Wrong button! Oh, that looks so weird. A forest-dwelling Pokemon that is skilled at climbing trees. Its long and pointed nose is its weak point. It loses power if its nose is gripped. Okay, so if I touch the nose, it will basically lose all its power. Okay, it's a female. Okay. Well, the recording went really weird. I wonder what happened in the recording. I should just go to PC, also known as Pokemon Center. I get it now! Pokemon Center, PC! This is called a PC! Things I learned that people already knew. Wow. Anyway. Okay. What? Excuse me. Let me guess. Let me guess. From the way you're dressed, you're a Pokemon trainer. Well, maybe not. Your clothes aren't all that dirty. My clothes are perfectly clean, by the way. You're either a rookie trainer or maybe just someone. Maybe you're just an ordinary kid. I'm roaming the land searching of talented trainers. I'm sorry to have taken your time. No, take me with you. Okay, this seems like this part was stays. Why does it have a sign that I can't read? Read. Nah. Oh. What? Well, that's something you don't see every day. Wait, so I could just moved on. And oh, that's interesting. That's interesting indeed. Now, what does the sign say? Wait, let me just explore this. Okay, I can find ether. Ether! Okay. There's a Pokemon statue of the legendary Pokemon Latios in Lumiose Town. There's only... And here's only one to get... Wait, Ash... God, wait. Wait. Name is N... And Ash Ketchum. Wow. I can't even read the sign. I was kind of expecting the sign to have that information. Well. Interesting. Gotta walk past you. Oh, that's a tiny ship. It's like 6 feet. It could barely hold me in it. Oh, that sounds like I'm fat. I'm not fat. Headbutt. Okay, so I can catch this one too. Yeah. Welcome to the party. Okay, I think I'm gonna give it a nickname. Okay. Let me just get some berries and then... No, I'm gonna go against a rich person. Is this a rich person? The rich one? You know, the one that... Or is that only an Omega Ruby? And Alpha Sapphire? And Delta Emerald? I'm kidding, that'll never be... It's as real as Pokemon Z. We must have fainted to meet. May I ask you for a battle? May I ask you for a battle? Okay, Lady Cindy. Okay, you have a Skiddo like everyone else. Okay, so I think that's gonna wrap it up for this video. If you enjoyed, remember hit that like button. And goodbye. And subscribe button. I keep forgetting about the subscribe button. Are you two twins from the other side? Goodbye.